Hi, this is Lakshita Gaur from Virat Collective. Pressure suck, stress sucks, and conflicts they suck too. But here's the flip side. Pressure means that people do trust you. Conflicts they mean that you care. And stress, it's proof that you do give a damn. That is what the series is all about. The flip side. Quick hits that flip the way you see work, stress, and life. Snackable, raw, and actually relatable. I am going to start a damn hitting right on the spot video series called The Flip Side, which is actually going to flip the way you see work, life, and stress. Call out to all the Gen Zs because we are going to talk a lot to each other in the upcoming days. And 10 minutes you listen to me, you actually gonna see a change in the way you think. Stay tuned.